Hello there and welcome to Legal Break. I'm Maureen Akers and with me today, Gary Bruce. Thank you for joining us, Gary, as always.
Good to be here, thank you.
Yeah, today we're talking about something that's pretty hot topic, and that is hit and run accidents, and those specifically involving either bikes or pedestrians. Tell me about this.
In the
They're
news.
pretty catastrophic, aren't they? Yeah.
Well, they really are. In the news recently, we've seen this video on the Natchez Trace near Nashville,
Yeah.
you know, where this man was just deliberately struck and hit, and fortunately did okay with it. But that's what we all fear if you ride a bicycle. I ride a bicycle.
Yes.
Do you ride?
I run, so
Run?
I'm out there on the
Right,
roads. My husband rides, and stopped riding on public roads because of some things happening.
Fortunately, we have some really good trails, you know, so that's nice, and I try and take advantage of that.
Yeah.
But no, this is everybody's fear.
Yeah.
You're by yourself, you're hit, and nobody stops.
Yeah. So what do you do if there's a hit and run? What happens?
Well, you hope you get through it, you know,
Yeah.
and then so what's available? Is there a claim? You know, that's what I do. So we'll talk about it in that term. I can't fix you medically, but is there a claim? Potentially there is, even if you don't know who the person was. You know, I like the fact this guy had a GoPro body camera on, but who does that? You know, that's the rare exception. So maybe you ride with somebody and gather whatever evidence you can, but if you have a situation in any hit and run where you don't know who the person was, Georgia and Alabama law both provide that if you have uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage, you can sue John Doe or Jane Doe and recover just as if John Doe or Jane Doe was there as the defendant. So in essence, if you're a juror and you go to a trial and they're suing John Doe, it's the insurance company sitting over there. They're just defending their money as if they were the bad guy who caused all that.
Gotcha. Okay. A lot of folks may not know that as well, too.
Right. And
so,
take a second to just make sure you have uninsured motorist coverage.
Yeah,
it's so
I was going to say
important
that
these days. We see so many people who don't have coverage. And usually the worst drivers are the ones who don't have it, you know. So protect your family by having uninsured motorist coverage. I really can't stress that enough.
Yeah, very good. That is good advice. So how an attorney can help, just as you mentioned, right?
That's what we do.
That's what you do, right?
So anyway, without shilling for work, but that's what we do. And hopefully coordinate that and make those claims on behalf of insureds in a hit and run situation or where you just don't know who the person was. So it happens more than you'd think.
It does.
But
but there's a possibility that there is some help and some restitution for you.
Absolutely, if you protect yourself through the right coverages, yes.
Very good. Thank you so much for joining us again today, Gary, and we look forward to seeing you on the very next Legal Break.
Thank you.